Good morning. It is 6:56 a.m. on December 15th, 2022, and this is going to be my first and last Festival of Sound. For those who don't know, Festival of Sound is essentially the winter concert our school's been putting on for several years. It's a really big concert that it has all the strings people and band and choir, and I'm not in any of those ensembles, so I haven't done it all for the past few years. However, our school has a tradition of asking speech and debate kids to narrate the show when they're in their senior year, so I'm going to be doing that this year. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that, so we'll see how it goes. I have my first rehearsal today, and then tomorrow during school we have our full dress rehearsal, and we then have opening night later, so I'm just kind of going to record that and we'll see how it goes. We're now at practice and it's very chaotic.
I lost my voice, or I'm sick, and I have to speak a lot.
Hello. We currently don't have seating.
No. Hi.
Make sure that whoever's first gotta come down. Who's leading?
We finished going over the first half.
Hi. Sorry, checking college.
Yeah. Claire's already meeting college friends.
The strings, first act's one set of strings, second act.
Okay, so we got done with rehearsal for Festival of Sound, and now I'm going to go shopping to get some earplugs for my ears, because I learned that for the entire show I'm sitting right next to these really big chimes, and my ears are still ringing from rehearsal today, so we are going to get earplugs to try to remedy that for the future. Okay, we're at school, and in about 2 periods we're going to be going to rehearsal.
There, this is so satisfying.
Claire is on vocal rest. Okay, now we are getting ready to go through rehearsal. Claire, how's your voice? Middle schoolers are coming. We had another debater join us.
I finished my case last night. They posted the thingies.
The thingies?
The
victory briefs.
Yes. They're actually helpful though.
They are?
Yeah. But there's 347 pages.
They posted it now.
They posted it at 2 p.m. yesterday.
They couldn't.
And they also posted the cards.
Oh my god, I literally needed those.
I needed those when I was writing my case.
Well,
Anyway, I love Grace. Grace is my favorite color guard person. And I can't say debate person because I like you all equally. But mostly, except Evan. Evan's at the bottom.
Okay, we finished doing it for the middle schoolers. Now we're going to class. Hello, I'm now on my way back to the school. It's about 6 p.m. and it's really dark outside, and yeah. Here's our Grinch. He's getting ready.
Don't spoil the magic.
Okay, so we finished, and then I stayed after to clean up, so now I'm finally going home.
Hey, Joe. Good evening. Welcome to Willie Park. Claire. One ticket. Hello. I have no voice. That'll be all.
We finished Act 1.
My voice, my cheeks are very pink. My voice cracked once. I think it went well for the most part. However, I don't think it sounded like this on stage, did I?
No, definitely not.
No, it's because every single time I stopped talking, I took another lozenge, and I haven't taken one in 2 minutes. And so this is what it sounds like. I will probably be going to Med Express tonight.
And she'll probably not be here tomorrow. Night 2 is done. We're getting ready for final performance and Claire is not here.
Poor Claire. We miss you.
So we redivided the parts and we're winging it right now.
But we are going to slay.
Okay, we finished. Yeah. Today was not my best speaking, but it wasn't terrible either, so it's okay. And then I stayed about an hour afterwards to pick up all the chairs and the stands and do all the cleaning stuff for the stage. And yeah. The end.